Hey guys, my name is Tola and I am the product lead here at Mamo. I'm going to take you through a brief walkthrough on how to create payment links via your dashboard. We start here on the payment links overview page where you have a list of all of your previously created links, and if you click new you can begin the creation process. From here you can customize all aspects of your payment link. I'll start by giving it a title, and as a chocolate shop I will be offering a Valentine's Day special. I can set a description and then set the amount. You can also allow your customer to define the amount or add a processing fee if necessary. If I jump over to the customizations tab, I can choose to require my customers to provide their details such as email, full name and phone number, require them to provide a message which can be any information relating to the order, allow my customer to add tips. Through our partners tabby, allow for buy now pay later to be enabled, and also add any terms and conditions that are necessary as part of this order. If we jump over to the advanced settings, we can further configure our link by putting a limit on the number of payments the link can receive, generating tickets for your event, so issuing QR codes which you can scan at the point of entry to confirm that a customer has paid you, redirecting your customer to a custom success page, so that can be a page on your own website for example, letting your customers select the quantity, which in this case will enable, setting a expiration date for your payment link, so setting a specific date by which the payment link will become inactive, and finally placing a hold on your customer to reserve the funds as opposed to deducting them immediately, so those funds will be released if you don't charge the card within 7 days. So I'm going to go ahead and create this link. Now the link has been created, I can see all of the details relating to it. I have the option to share the link either via copying the URL or issuing a QR code which my customer can scan to begin the payment process. I have all of the details in relation to the payment amount, the total paid, the number of payments, and all of the criteria I configured during the creation process. So I'm going to go ahead and make a payment to this link. Upon accessing your payment link, your customer will be directed to this page where they'll see your business name, the title of the payment link, as well as the description that you set. If I continue, the customer will be required to provide their personal details as requested, their phone number, and email. So we have multiple payment methods available. We have Google Pay, Apple Pay, and of course debit and credit card. In this scenario, I'm using Google Chrome, so Google Pay is already enabled, but I'll go ahead and provide my credit card details and agree to the terms and conditions. The payment has been successfully made and your customer will receive an email confirming that payment, as well as being provided a reference ID so that you can identify the payment has been made from your end. Returning to the payment links details page, we can now see that one payment has been made and a total of 450 dirham has been collected. And you can see further details in relation to that payment here in the all payment section. And finally, we can see all of the details in relation to that payment, such as the total amount paid, the payment date, how much will be settled, so that's the total amount minus the fee and VAT, when you can expect that payment to be settled to your available balance, and of course all the details around the payment link that was used and the customer's information. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you have a great day.